My hometown is in Kolkata, India, where you'll find passionate people passionate about arts, science, culture. And I've actually been born and brought up in a joint family. So at any point of time in our big house, there were always at least a dozen people engaging and having fun. So like we have a huge library in our basement, and I grew up so amidst books and people all the time. So I lost my father in 2010 because of colon cancer. In every way, he was my superhero. He was my friend, my confidant. I never had a eureka moment or an aha moment when I realized that science was it. It kind of came easy to me. Research is kind of a fun jigsaw puzzle. You choose your puzzles among the gigantic cohort of problems, gather clues by reading literature, and finally solve the puzzle by your experiments. Here at UMass, I'm working at the Department of Ophthalmology, and my lab is actually working on understanding the molecular mechanisms of inherited retinal degenerative diseases. We are using that knowledge to devise effective therapeutic strategies, for example, in the form of gene therapy. To solve our problems, we are working on a range of model systems, beginning from cell lines to smaller organisms like zebrafish and mice, to larger animals like pigs. My objective here is basically to contribute to the best of my ability to the scientific community. If I can touch the life of one person, I will be grateful. And literally, like when one's passion becomes one's profession, it becomes a gift. And I'm literally grateful for this gift of mine.